everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another clean with me video, but this time I'm going to be cleaning at nighttime. Sometimes with me working and having classes in the morning, I don't have time to clean during that time, so I usually just do the cleaning during the nighttime. I feel like cleaning during the night is just very relaxing in a way, and I feel like it's also very therapeutic, especially when no one is home and you're just alone and you can do whatever you want pretty much. And I really enjoy this alone time, and I know all of us love coming to a clean home. So whenever I come home the next day, it feels good that you don't have to clean and you can just relax for the rest of the evening, which is a very good feeling in my opinion. Whenever I clean during the nighttime, I like keeping it very minimal. I don't go crazy and clean the whole house, clean the bathroom, do laundry and all that stuff, because that would just take me forever. I mostly like focusing on the first floor, making sure that the living room area and the kitchen are clean, because the last thing you want to do is wake up and have to clean the dishes in the morning before you cook or something, or clean up the sofa before watching TV, because that can get very annoying. As you can see, I've been ordering so many things offline lately, and I also finally installed the doors on the TV stand after like a month or a month and a half or so of them being out of stock at IKEA. So I'm very happy now with how it looks like. The living room has been a work in progress. So next I've been looking at some coffee tables and what I would like to add in that area. I still don't know if I want a coffee table. That's why I've been looking, and if I find something that I like, then I'll get it. But it's incredible how expensive coffee tables can be. I'll be online like Wayfair, Overstock, Target, and all those stores, and coffee tables, some of them that I've seen that I really like are like $800 or like $300, and I'm just like, yeah, I don't want to spend that much on a coffee table.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea. There's no
So whenever I clean anything that needs to go upstairs, I'll leave it on the steps. So whenever I do go upstairs, I'll take those things wherever they belong up there. This just saves me from constantly going up and down the stairs, and just make one trip for everything. Sometimes I do have to make like 2 trips because there's just so many things that have to go upstairs. So I'll make 2 trips rather than making like 20 trips just to take one thing up there. So I enjoy vacuuming during the nighttime because in a way, like, I know that it's going to last longer because everyone is going to bed right after. And during the daytime, if I vacuum, like, I'm going to walk right on it after I'm done. And I just am so obsessed with having vacuum marks. So if I do it at nighttime, like, it's just going to last longer. And as you know, I've been using the dining room table as like an office table in a way. That's just where I do all my work and stuff. So I constantly have to clean it because of all the junk I keep on that table. So fall is my absolute favorite season. I love having candles blowing around so it can smell like fall. And having a clean house and having candles blowing is like the best thing ever, because your house is clean and it also smells really good. Also, I started using a new spray from the brand Everspring, and this one leaves it smelling so good. I like this one because it brings more and it's also cheaper as opposed to the Mayors brand, which is more expensive and it contains a smaller amount of product in there. But I find that the Mayors cleaning product has a stronger smell than this one and leaves it smelling good for a long time. With Everspring, I feel like the smell goes away pretty quickly, like after you spray it, so it doesn't like really last long. I honestly cannot wait until we get rid of our carpet. I feel like having carpet in the dining room is just weird to me. So whenever we get rid of it, it's just going to be like the best day ever. And we've talked about getting rid of the carpet because our dog, she's peed so much in the kitchen. So she started kind of like tearing up the floors and she's also been chewing at them. So they're even more messed up now. So we're just waiting for her to be a little bit more potty trained. She is not one yet, but we're just waiting until she gets a little bit older just so we can replace all of the carpet because I don't want to get new floors and her pee all over them and then we have to like replace those as well. So I'm just waiting for her to kind of just be more potty trained in order for us to get rid of the carpet.
You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea. There's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. This pain is not of the ordinary. Every time that I breathe.
So with dishes, you guys know that I like washing them by hand, and lately I've been washing them and then letting them air dry. And while they air dry, I'll just do another task around the house. So by the time I'm done with those tasks, the dishes will be dry and I can start putting them away. If I do the dishes at night, I have to make sure I put them away during the nighttime because I don't want to have to do that in the morning because I feel like it's just a hassle. And sometimes, like, if I'm gonna make breakfast, I have to like dig through all the dishes just to get like a pan or something like that. So I'd rather just have them put away during the nighttime so then in the morning, I already know where all the pots and pans and everything is. So it just makes it easier for me to just like grab a pot or a pan or whatever and just like pull it out with no hassle.
I can feel your worry, so I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
And lastly, I'll do the sink and the stove. I use the same products on both and it leaves them very shiny. I like leaving the sink for last because sometimes there will be dishes laying around. I've done this before where I clean the sink and then I find another dirty dish laying around and have to wash it and then wash the sink again. So now I just leave it for last to where I know I won't find any dirty dishes around. And for the stove, I like making sure that it's nice and clean so that the next day I can cook without having to clean anything. I really don't like the feeling of having a dirty kitchen before cooking. I just have to clean it but it's easier for me to just have it clean beforehand, so then it's not like double the amount of work that I have to do.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea. You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea.
So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more videos. And also let me know down below any other videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.